In this video, we'll discuss how to beat the competition in your area as a notary signing agent. Hi, I'm John Snedeker with Notary Signing Agent Blueprint, where my blueprint takes you further, faster. Feel free to subscribe to learn how to make the absolute most as a notary signing agent. To beat the competition in your area, you're going to need to become the best version of yourself. This simply includes developing above average skills, above average habits, discipline, and relationships. Be sure to read books that are going to open your mind as well. Make sure you learn to become self-sufficient and solve problems by yourself quickly. There's always going to be bumps in the road regardless of where you are. Fix those problems quickly and get back on your track to success. Make sure you have a plan, and make sure that plan does not include trying to please everyone. Carve your niche, figure out if you're working for lower paying clients or higher paying clients. Figure out a few things first and then go attract and get those things in your life and your business. Make sure you have a positive mindset. You're grateful, you smile, and again, you learn to attract what it is that you want. You don't need to chase every opportunity. You need to figure out, be crystal clear with what it is that you want so you can attract it in your life, and you could regularly work on the higher paying orders on a daily and even hourly basis. You have to be crystal clear and you need to attract it. It's not going to come into your life by itself. You'll beat the competition when you're always great to work with regardless of circumstance. Guys, things happen. When there's problems, companies still need to call notaries. Do you think they're going to call someone who's always a pain in the butt to work with? Or are they going to call someone who's always a pleasure to work with regardless? If they're going to pick up the phone, you know that they're going to call someone who's always great to work with. Be positive, be professional, and always be great to work with regardless of circumstance. You're going to beat the competition in your area when you understand this concept. You're going to get what you want when you help them get what they want. So what is it that they want? Well, they want a professional notary, they want someone to show up on time, and they want to be able to schedule the order with someone who is never going to have an issue at the signing. They know how to handle themselves, and they know that they represent the lender and the title company well. You'll beat the competition by understanding that you serve yourself by serving others. You do not serve yourself by trying to serve yourself. Guys, go serve others and go help them get what they want while you get what you want. You'll beat the competition when you have systems in place. Proven systems and proven models take you further, faster. If you don't know, we have a free course and training at notarysigningagentblueprint.com. Feel free to like and share this video with who you feel could benefit. What's one thing that you learned about beating the competition? Let me know in the comments right now, and I look forward to seeing you in our next video.